Hi crafters, today is the start of the Boxing Day sale at CraftStash. Now this is running from today, this morning, Boxing Day, until the 1st of January. There's some amazing offers. So I'm going to run through what brands and products are going to be on each day because new offers are going to be released each day. So I suggest you grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper and you jot down the ones that might interest you. If not, you can always go to the CraftStash website and check back each day for what is new. Now, of course, all of the offers, if you are a VIP member, you are also going to be getting your additional 10%. So add that on to the discounts too. Okay, so I've got a huge list of every day what's happening. Let's quickly run through these. Are you ready? Now, the first day, which is today, so December 26th, we have got some 40% off of some Christmas items using a code. The code is Xmas40, XMAS40. Now, if you're thinking, well, hang on a minute, Christmas Day was yesterday, of course, it's going to come back every year, and this is the perfect time to stock up on those Christmas items ready for next year. It may even be that you're one of those crazy crafters that start crafting for Christmas in January, so get yourself prepared. Now, we have got lots of creative craft products, dies, stamps and tools all on offer today, so go and take a look at the website for that. The details will be in the description. Now, also on tomorrow, so December the 27th, Friday, we have then got up to 60% off of selected creative craft products items. These are on top of the deals that you're going to be getting today. We've also got offers on Simply Made Crafts, Apple Blossom and Crafter's Companion as well. Now, I can't tell you exactly what items are going to be there. Go and have a little mooch around the site. You're going to love everything that's there. This is one of our biggest sales of the year. Now, Saturday, December the 28th, we have got It's Just Paper by Justine Hovey. We've got a sale on her items. Now, I've got written here licenses. If you're not sure what we mean by licenses, that's things like Paddington, Care Bears, all of these fantastic kind of licensed branded products that you've seen. So anything that's got characters in, Snoopy, Peanuts, they're all there. So licenses, there's a sale on those, which is really exciting. They fly out the door usually. We've also got offers on Paper Discovery and My Creative Life, which was designed by the lovely Katie Skilton. Absolutely beautiful products. In fact, I was using some yesterday. On Sunday, now this is the time of the year where we all feel a little bit lost. We don't know what's happening between Christmas and New Year, what day it is. But make sure you check because we have got Made to Surprise sale. Yes, Sunday. Mark that in your diaries, definitely. I know you'll all be going and taking a look at that. We've also got a sale on Sue Wilson items. The Creative Craft Products Colorology. Now that's new. They're new products. So they've even got a sale on those. Ink pads, some of your beautiful mica powders. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to go and see what's on offer and I need to stock up as well. We'll also have on Sunday items reduced from Sheena too. Now on Monday, this is where we'll start thinking about New Year's Eve, isn't it? On Monday, do you know what I've got written down here? Some of these offers are just going through the whole week. It's going to be amazing. There's so many repeats that you're never going to be left without a fantastic offer. But Monday, Adventures in Ink, the stamps. We've got a sale on their items. Card Making Magic. Now, I don't know what's going to be in there, but I need to go. There's so many card making magic collections and ranges that I missed out on. I'm going to see if they are in the sale, and also spellbinders as well, and Sizzix too. Wow! So big brands being reduced there. Now Christmas. Oh no, sorry, New Year's Eve, December the 31st. That's Tuesday. Tuesday next week, depending on when you're watching this. We have got offers on the Frugal Crafter. We've got offers on Tonic Studios as well. Of course, my favourite, I think I've got all of these products though. We have the texture sale. I'll definitely be posting more about that on my own social channels for you. And we have offers on Papercraft Society boxes. So if you missed any of those, if you're not a subscriber, maybe you paused your subscription at some point, or you've not quite not quite got into the subscriptions and you just buy the odd box here and there, that is going on Tuesday. You can pick up a bargain. Lastly, New Year's Day. So some of us may be feeling a little bit delicate, but definitely still have a look because we have got the Tim Holtz Distress Sale. That is going to be Wednesday, the 1st of January. What a way to kick off the new year. That is definitely one I'll be there for. Hunky Dory as well. And there's going to be some New Year's Day mystery bags. So you'd love the ones that we had at Black Friday. We've had mystery bags quite a few times before. I don't know what's in these. All I've got is New Year's Day mystery bags written down. So go and take a look because they are usually phenomenal value for what you're paying for them. So, of course, like I say, everything here, you are getting an additional 10% off of the offers if you are a VIP member. You can find out more about becoming a VIP down below, particularly if you're shopping in a sale. Very often, you're just going to make your money back on your membership, which is a one-off yearly fee, and it doesn't auto-subscribe or auto-renew anyway. So you can pick and choose when you renew next year if you do. But you're going to love it because you're going to get your double points on everything. That, of course, when we have points offers like triple points, that's going to equate to, if we've got a triple point offer, you're going to get 6 times the points of everyone else. You've also got priority dispatch in there and exclusive offers and products. So well worth being a VIP member. So, from all of us at CraftStash, as I said yesterday in our Christmas message, I hope you have a fantastic new year and the rest of the Christmas period. Eat lots, drink lots, have lots of fun, hopefully lots of time for crafting, and I will speak to you in the new year once these sales are done and dusted and I've got lots of parcels coming my way. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you again soon.